Experiment 2. Measuring a baseband waveform. Relative oscilloscope spectrum analyzer have many outstanding advantages. They are also the primary measurement tool for measuring frequency domain data. Learning how to use a spectrum analyzer is an essential skill that every student must master to gain RF knowledge. By measuring a baseband signal, this experiment allows students to comprehensively understand how to operate a spectrum analyzer and lays the foundation for subsequent experiments. Experiment principle is to set the GRF 1300 to output the 1 MHz sine wave and use the GSP 730 to measure its spectrum. Experiment steps. First, turn on the GRF 1300 and GSP 730. Set the GRF 1300 baseband as follows. Waveform, sine signal. Frequency, 1 MHz. And turn the amplitude knob to clockwise to its end. And connect the baseband signal from the output port of the GRF 1300 to the input terminal of the GSP 730. Use the RF wire. Set the GSP 730 as follows. Center frequency 2.5 MHz. Start frequency 0 and stop frequency 5 MHz. Reference level 0. dBm. Utilize the marker function on the spectrum analyzer to determine the harmonic ratio. Press peak search. After step 6 is done, make sure the delta marker is used for the next step and not the normal marker. Set the delta marker to the peak point of each harmonic. Press marker F3 for delta. Enter 1 MHz. Now this is the second harmonics. Enter 2 MHz. The third harmonics. This concludes my demonstration.